Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number LA, that is AI 5, and today's topic is the artificial intelligence AI is not a single technology. This confusion should be clear because in many places still children in schools and colleges they write AI and they have the impression, understanding that it is the single technology. No, it is the combination of different technologies. The only thing is that artificial intelligence AI is having very broad meaning, broad umbrella, very big umbrella. Under that umbrella of AI, all technologies are there. So AI is actually very big umbrella. AI. Under this all are there. ML, then deep learning, and ChatGPT, and so many other applications, Netflix, Google, Facebook, Amazon, whatever it is. So they are all under the artificial intelligence with all different technologies. And now I'm going to tell you, because in previous lecture I have already told you about their different branches, character and domains. And now I'm going to discuss what are those different domains of artificial intelligence. So first, what is there? That is, it starts with machine learning, deep learning, then data, and then language, natural processing of language, and then computer vision. I mean, recognize the images by computer, that is computer visionary. So they are all different technologies and all are trained, and for all the AI is teaching. So first thing is that now what globally we are doing to prepare artificial human being to talk and behave like human being, but they are not natural, they are artificial, and that's why they are called humanoid. We are humans because our natural intelligence is there on the basis of different senses, touching, then taste, then also some neural networking and surrounding. So many, all these factors are there. On the basis of that, human beings are intelligent. But in the case of humanoid, what artificial intelligence is doing is feeding data, teaching, and on the basis of that feeding data and teaching with algorithms, every day it is becoming smarter and smarter, and it becomes so smart that it can think, it can take decision, it can behave artificially like human being, but that is not human being because that is not having any sense, that is not having any common sense, that is not having any reasoning, any empathy, any sympathy. That is only input and output of data. That is called humanoid. But they behave and they talk like human being on the basis of data. They can think and they can take decision. So nowadays, lot of robotics, either in the shape of female or male, are produced in millions. And now they are working everywhere in Western countries in the name of Alexa, in the name of Siri, so many other names are there. And they will follow you, they will listen to you, they will work as a secretary, as an assistant, as a military officer. Lot of work they are doing. That's why that group is called humanoid group. Let me show you some images. So now this lady who is introducing herself, talking to everybody, and is a news reporter, and she is very very beautiful, and she is not human. She is humanoid. She is actually robotic, artificial intelligence, and with lot of machine learning, lot of data has been injected and feeding is done, and on that basis it is well trained. That is called humanoid. This is humanoid, and some natural, original humans, they are asking the question and she is replying. All because she can take decision, she can talk, and she can attend as a servant. So now in China and India, lot of humanoid assistants and also servants are produced, and they will come and work, and they will follow you, they will understand you, and whatever assignment or task is given, they will work it. Now, you see here, she is humanoid, Indian news reporter. Very comfortably, she is reporting the news and on TV, and nobody can recognize unless someone is expert, because she is not having any shadow. It means that she is humanoid. She is robotic, artificial, and all the news, what data she is giving the total news. And nowadays, lot of such type of humanoid news reporters are there globally. This is a driver, and he is driving the car, and he can take you anywhere. He will follow all the instruction. He will behave like a human driver, but he is not natural human being. He is artificial human being, that is called humanoid. In offices now, such type of humanoids are working. In industries, they are working in thousands, and they are well trained, and on the basis of data, of course, they are not having natural senses of feeling, touching, and smelling, and the taste. All these senses they don't have, but rest of the thing, on the basis of data, they can think, they can take decision, they can discuss in the same language, and they can reply in the same language with the help of, that is, natural language processing, that language programming. With the help of that, they can behave like human being, but they are not human being. They are robot supported by artificial intelligence. Here it is one on counter, or a robot is sitting, that is humanoid, and one natural lady is going. That one is shaking hand. She requested that please shake hand. He understood that okay, she wants to shake hand, and he is giving the hand to shake. So such type of behavior, mimicry or duplicating the behavior of natural human is going on, and it is all well trained on the basis of, that is, machine learning and deep learning and generative artificial intelligence data and algorithm. So here I have given what are different type of small technologies like ML, DL, NPL, data, algorithm, all are combined together, that is under the umbrella of artificial intelligence, and that's why we get very very smart machine to think, to take decision, to predict. And nowadays, let me make it very clear, a lot of claims are coming on social media, on YouTube, LinkedIn, so many other platform, and they are claiming that I will teach you all these technologies in one day or 48 hours or 1 week. Please don't believe. There are two things. Listen carefully. One group of youngsters or people who are user of all these technologies of artificial intelligence, they are only what? User. I call them user. The other group are builder. So you have to decide. There is no shortcut in good learning and knowledge. Nothing. It needs hard work. It needs your patience, your commitment, and you have to be focused. Only then you can learn and you can become data scientist, data manager, data analyst, and data engineer by getting knowledge on that social media for 1 week, for 10 days, or for 3 days, or for few hours. You will become only user. They will teach you how to use all these different technologies, applications. That's all. If you want to become scientist, that's why I have written here word data science. If data science means if you are expert, you have deep knowledge how to manipulate the data, feeding of the data in machine learning, and how the machine is becoming smart. You have to do a lot of analysis, lot of research. Then you have to go to build it. Just like in this house, in Maiduguri University house, name is LH47. I am not builder of this house. I am user. Engineers, architect, they build this house. Very good 2-bedroom, kitchen, everything, all roof, beautification, lot of things done. That is by civil engineer and architect. They are the builder. I am enjoying this very beautiful house as a user. In the same way, for artificial intelligence technologies, 60%, majority of the people are users. And they are using and they are creating money and wealth. So if I'm not discouraging those young generation, if they want to limit themselves only to create some money by creating some different type of apps or editing or developing. So if they want to become developer or editor, then they should go for this shortcut that is called user. If you want to become builder, data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, then you have to study. And to study means you have to listen the lectures what I am delivering to understand each and every step. That is very important. So here I have given in summary, that is what are different type of technologies under artificial intelligence. AI, artificial intelligence, is the combination of various technologies. AI is not a single technology. We will learn about the various technologies of artificial intelligence, that is AI, and they are machine learning. Machine learning is the technology of artificial intelligence. Deep learning, DL, that is the technology of artificial intelligence. Feeding of data. Data is also most important part of artificial intelligence technology. Then natural language processing, NPL, that is natural language processing. And last one, that is computer vision, recognizing the images. So these are all small technologies are associated with artificial intelligence, and with data they are well trained and they become very smart. More and more data is provided, more and more smartness will be there. Number 2, artificial intelligence technologies refers to a set of technologies that enables machine to perform human intelligence, and those which are performing like human being, they are called as humanoid. And I have already showed you a lot of humanoid, how they are working in India and other part of the world. This humanoid, that is artificial human intelligence, it is capable of conversing with humans in the natural language, just like human being. You ask question, they will reply. And after keeping updating, the AI technologies are categorized under the umbrella of AI, and that is machine learning, deep learning. And in machine learning, again, that language is supervised, unsupervised, enforcement language learning. So that is already on the basis of data, where you data input, data output is known, where data output is not known, that is unsupervised. The enforcement learning means where it is the mixed combination of supervised and unsupervised data. So all these are under machine learning, and that I have already told you in the previous lecture. So all these are there, and under the umbrella of AI, where everything is convert under AI to make machine smart, to enable to think and to take a decision. ML means machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, and that enables machines to automatically learn and improve by the use of data. And the machine learning system automatically learns and improve by itself without any program. And now it can predict and it can take decision. Now number 4 is data science. Data science, I have already told you that all those things are under data science, that is data scientists and data analysts and data we can say purifier management, all those things, they are all under data scientists. And then the other area is where lot of neural networking is there, and that is called deep learning. So this deep learning concept, where we are making the artificial intelligent, I can say, brain, just like human brain to work, and that is called neural networking. That I will be discussing in the next lecture. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much. And in the last but not least, artificial intelligence, knowledge and technology, to be expert, you have to practice. Always I am telling, I will go on repeating, if you are learning, it is by practice. Practice, practice, and practice makes man perfect. Without practice, you will not learn artificial intelligence technologies. In the same way, like without practice, you cannot learn car driving. Whatever books you have studied, you have to practice it. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.